Today we're going to be making a sippy cup holder thing out of a dowel and some scrap wood I have lying around. That way I can hang these cups up against the wall and they can air dry properly versus stacking them together and then there's condensation, water stuck in there, and it's not the most sanitary thing ever. So that's what we're going to do today. So we have this dowel, it's 5/8 inch in diameter and it's about 6 feet long. We're going to cut it in 4-inch sections. That way this guy can just go on it like so and then air dry. So yeah, start cutting it. That works. That's the best angle you guys are gonna get. And contact, don't kill me. That's so funny. All right, so I'm missing one dowel, apparently. I guess. Maybe. There's no way I cut off 5 inches worth of material, you know? But I guess that's how it goes, you know? Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And read that, but tar. Well, that's slightly less than 15 inches. And this is 15 inches right there. So this guy's slightly off, but it works. It doesn't move, so that's good. It's about as close as I can get you guys. Contact. Just kidding, that's too close. One more, why not? It's so good. All right, all I did was alternate them and I kind of got rid of the wonkiness in it. So it kind of looks like it's meant to do that. So up, down, whatnot. I think we'll go like that. That works. And clamp it and glue it together. Now time to drill holes. So the distancing is going to be based off these caps. That's it. So I was gonna do 3.5. I have it marked here already, but I kinda decided not to do that. So pretty much this guy right here should match up with that guy right there, and he's by himself. And if I want to make more, I just copy it right there. I'll mark the middle. Beautiful like that. That should be pretty close to the middle. All right, let's cut them out. I gotta use these guys. I like them. I obviously use 1 inch a whole lot, but we just need the 5/8. Cut some holes. Didn't do that. Professional. Perfect. All right, that's what I got going on here. Man, headphones. Goodbye, piece of wood. Ah, cool. That's what I got going on. I'm gonna hold it like this. You know, beep, straight down. Beep. It should work. Oh my God, that worked. 45-degree angle, clamp, little spacer wood. Nice. Whole lot of sawdust. All right, let's do that 12 more times. Cool thing is it creates a little lip down here where I don't cut it, and then that's where the thing's gonna stop at. So it should, in theory, just fit in perfectly. Oh my God, it does. Look at that. So what we got going on, huh? Don't fall over. Stay there. It's gonna be something like this. The cups will go like this. Don't fall over. That, and then like that. I just realized if I leave it flat like this, and I put this guy down in here, I don't have to sand it because it's going to be flush. So I'm going to do that. A little dab of glue in there. Put the dowel in there and spin it around. So these guys are all dried. I sanded the back of them, so now they look like this. Very flush. Now we're just going to glue them. All right, cool. Good. I will burn you down, I swear. Ah, perfect. Now it's all lined up. All right, cool. And I'll get all the glue out, I guess. I don't know how, but we're gonna do it. There's gotta be a better way to get this glue out. Don't know what that is though, but there's gotta be. Maybe next time I don't use much glue, but then am I even a woodworker if I don't use all the glue I can? I don't know. So it's pretty much done other than drilling like 1 or 2 holes mounted into the wall, but we're gonna put some beeswax all over this thing. We're just using this guy right here. I use it on just about all my projects for the house. This thing's great. And it lasts a long time too. And the best part about this thing, it smells like honey. And for me, I like honey, so this works out great for me. All right, it's time to wax the dowels. You guys aren't gonna see that part though. Okay, it's been about an hour. This is after an hour, you're supposed to wipe the excess off, and then it's done. It's not too bad, I feel like. This worked out really well. The backside is unstained, and that side is stained, so you can definitely see a difference. Well, let's stand it up and see how it looks. All right, yeah, it's fine. I don't need you anymore. Yeah, it's just like a little board here for these guys. If I want, I can go down there and it's not gonna fall. It all air dries. Cool. I can put one up here. Yes, excellent. If I want one right there and this guy up there somewhere, all I know is it's gonna fit and it's not gonna fall. Cool. All right. The pegboard is now done, so the cups go on it. It's a good equal space in between everything, and I think it works out fine. I'm gonna go nail it on the wall now. Thanks for watching. See you.